Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. On this video here I'm going to show you how to buy Revomon with the lowest fees possible, okay? So Revomon is a game, it's a VR game, it's already out and you can check it if you have VR. For people that don't have VR, you can watch videos of people playing it and see how the game looks like and the whole idea about it, alright? So before we get into this, please do your own research. Watch as many videos possible about both perspectives about the project, the cons and the pros, and then make your own decision and then decide if you want to invest or not. And if you decided to invest with money that you are willing to lose. Alright, so now that's out of the way, let's go to market. As you can see here, there are decentralized exchanges, but we know how the fees are on those platforms, so we're going to use Gateio. It's, as you can see here, it's pretty similar to Binance and KuCoin. If you have an account, that's great. If you don't, there is a link in the description if you want to create an account. Alright, after you created your account, go to wallet and deposit. Go to coin and type in the name of the coin that you want to deposit and select the chain or the network that you're willing to use. Just make sure that you select the same network on the other platform that you are withdrawing from. Alright, after you've got your asset on your account, go to trade and spot trading. Alright, so if you deposited anything other than USDT, you need to sell that coin for USDT. Just type in the name of that crypto you've deposited to your account, let's say XLM, and choose the name of that coin to USDT. Alright, click on it and scroll down here and here to sell that coin. Alright, here you'll see the whole amount or your balance on the crypto that you've got. If you clicked on the balance, it will automatically get filled in here, which means that you're going to sell the whole amount. But if you want to sell just a part of it, like 50% or whatever percent that you want, just click on it and it will choose the amount from that balance that you've got, not the whole balance, and you can sell right there. Alright, and you will get USDT. Alright, now let's head back to here and type in the name of the coin that we want, which is Revomon, and here it is. Choose Revo to USDT. So because now we've got USDT on our account, you can see it on your balance. You can click on it and to choose the whole amount or select the whole amount, just click on it and it will automatically get filled, which means that you will buy using the whole amount that you've got on your balance, or you can choose from these percentages in here. For example, if we did 50%, it will get only 50% of your balance. Alright, and here is the current market price of Revomon, and these here, as you can see, they are trying to bargain. These here are people wanting to buy with a lower price than the current market price, and these are trying to sell with a higher price than the current one. Alright, so you can choose from these if you want to buy. Just choose a reasonable price that is near the current market price, or if you can check the graph, if you see that the market is going towards a lower price, you can put in a lower price than this. Just make it reasonable, because if you put in an order, like for example like in this price here, and the market doesn't go down till this price and then bounce back and gets higher, your order will not go through, which means it will get stuck in here till you cancel it and then put in another order. So my advice is put in a reasonable price which is closer to the market, and same goes for people that are trying to sell. Okay, so you can click on whichever that you want in here, let's say this one, and as you can see it changed in here, and put in the amount that you want, of course, and then click buy. Alright, and that's it. Congratulations, you've got Revo right now. So this is it, pretty simple and easy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, and thank you for watching.